Good afternoon. Today I'm out at 17525 111th Circle in Stonecrest in Summerfield, Florida. This home is a beautiful corner lot with a nice pool that has amazing waterfall in it. You could probably hear it in the background. Then turn it around, show you this pool, and we'll see a little bit of the home inside. So here we go. Look at this beautiful outdoor space. Has a small fenced-in area outside as well with some grass if you have a pet. Beautiful pool. Take a step inside, see some of the home. As you can see, it is mostly tile, wood floors. They look like wood floors. This home has been remodeled. Has a wine cooler included. A really nice kitchen with quartz countertops. Nice sized living room. A big dining room. And the laundry room is inside. And for you guys out there, or girls, take a look at this beautiful garage. Has room for a golf cart at the back. So come on out, take a look at it, and see if you would like to call this home. I'm Keith Kalk with the Kalk Group at Premier Sotheby's International Realty. And come take a look at this open house today. I'll be here till 3 o'clock. And let's see if we can make this home yours. Make it home for you. Again, my name is Keith Kalk with the Kalk Group at Premier Sotheby's International Realty. And my phone number is 352-431-8539. So if you have questions, give me a call. Come on out, take a look. We'll see you soon.